Hi folks, it's Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers group here with my review of Covert Social Traffic, which launched on the 4th of December at 11 AM Eastern Standard Time. In this review, I'm going to go through this new release from Chad and Momen. And what it essentially is, it reveals a secret free traffic method that the guys have been using to bank between $1,200 and $2,000 a month with just 15 minutes of work a day. As the title would suggest, this involves social media. And it's a sort of, how would I describe this? I suppose it's not a high income, high volume method. It is a method that will get you a small amount of traffic each day that will convert. So in other words, it will get you around 50 to 60 visitors a day to particular offers. And you will be able to convert those offers and earn an average of somewhere around $40, $50, $60, $70 a day from this method. Yeah. So we're not talking about a method that's going to make you a super affiliate, but if you're someone that's been looking for a reliable method that will reliably deliver figures of around $50 or $60 a day with about 15 minutes of work, then you've found it with Covert Social Traffic. So it sort of pretty much does what it says on the tin. So if that sounds like it's something of interest to you and that additional money or that additional revenue stream would be useful to you, or if you're someone that's simply not making money at all at the moment and you want something that can make you a reliable $50 or $60 a day, then listen on. I'll also be going through the custom bonuses that I've put together if you pick up Covert Social Traffic from the link immediately underneath this review video. There are 5 of them. You can get them by clicking on any of these green buttons here at any time before this countdown timer reaches 0, at which point they will expire. I don't want that to happen, folks, because they are custom bonuses, which means they're exclusive to me. Having said that, do feel free to go and see what others are offering with their copies of Covert Social Traffic, because of course you can always come back to this page and back to this YouTube video when you realize that the bonuses that I'm offering are a bit special. So what is Covert Social Traffic all about? Well, as I said, we're revealing a secret free traffic method that their guys have been using to bank between $1,200 and $2,000 a month with just 15 minutes of work a day. It's a pretty non-hype sales page, I think it's fair to say, folks. There's not even a video on it. Just a bit of income proof to show you how this has been working typically on JV Zoo, yeah. And you can see here that typically daily profit has been somewhere of an average of around 50. He's being totally fair here and showing you that there were some days when the method misses and there's actually 0 income, which I think is pretty cool for a sales page actually to show you that. An average of around 50 and a couple of particularly more advanced days, 80 there and 133 there. And then there's some more here. And again, there was one really good day there, obviously, where the guys earned 279, but generally you can see the average is pretty much around $50. Yeah, looking at these figures, it's above slightly, it's below slightly, but $50 is pretty much the average from this method. I'm also going to take you inside the members area. I think it's this one. Sorry, that's the funnel. We'll also have a look at the funnel. This should be the members area. There we go. That is the Covert Social Traffic members area. Let me just get rid of this right hand column. Just bear with me 1 second. There we go. All right, so we'll have a look at the members area as well. But first, let's have a look at my custom bonuses. So when you click on the link underneath, you'll come through to this page here. This video that I'm recording now will be in here. So what is Covert Social Traffic all about? It's for you if you're looking for a newbie-friendly free traffic method that works. If you're ready to follow the instructions in this training and take action. If you're ready to work those 15 minutes a day every day to see consistent results. If you're a newbie and you're fed up with the lies and promises and are eager to see something working for you for your online business. If you're already generating online profits but would like to add an extra income stream, if you understand that this is about getting small amounts of targeted daily traffic that converts, yeah, and you understand that this is not a quick get rich quick scheme that will make you retire next week. It's certainly not that, folks. Okay, so what are the bonuses that I'm going to throw in with this, folks? Well, firstly, the 10 best lead magnets to give away in 2019. That's my first custom bonus to you. You'll see why that's important when you actually go through the training, but I'm going to show you the 10 best lead magnets to give away. Secondly, now this obviously it's a social media product. We're talking mainly Facebook here. In fact, we're talking entirely Facebook. So I'm going to throw in this training that will show you how you can make $100 a day using free Facebook traffic. That's my second bonus. Third bonus, one of the best courses on Facebook that I've seen is this one by Art Flair called Effortless Facebook Profits. So when I do a course that's majoring on Facebook, I tend to give this away because it's a very good course. So that will give you some additional training. Also, how to get 200 leads a day using free Facebook traffic. That is another training for you. And finally, a Brendan Mace training on how he makes $2,000 using Facebook groups. All right, so that is a course that uses at least some of the techniques that we're talking about here in this product. So let's just go back to the sales page. No tech skills, SEO knowledge or prior marketing experience needed for this method. No email list needed, no spam, no chatbots, no phone calls, hard selling, no begging friends or MLM. This is what we've already gone through. And the price of the front end is $12.95 with a 30-day 100% money back guarantee. Now, when we go into the members area here, you'll see this opening welcome from Chad. Let's just have a quick look at Chad. There he is. See if we can get this to play.
Hey, Chad here, and together with Momen Khaiti, I would like to welcome you to Covert Social Traffic. We're really excited, to share with you this traffic method because we've been using it for the last 2 years with great results, all right? And you can do that too. The other thing that is great about this traffic method that is newbie friendly, no tech skills, no marketing knowledge, advanced marketing knowledge is required. You just have to watch the videos here below and, and follow the instructions and implement what you learn. And you will see how you get traffic that sells.
So there's a nice little opening gambit there from Chad. Very nice guy, very easy to listen to. I found the training actually really easy to go through. Incidentally, just one, he'll actually say in the first video there, but there's an option to get the white label version of this course. You'll notice that all of the videos, are unbranded. And that's because there is an option to pick up white label, right? So you can actually put this out as your own product, which I think is a pretty nice touch. So we'll go on to the upsells in a minute. Okay, so obviously it's a Facebook course, so we're going to be finding Facebook groups that are relevant to your niche. But we're being very selective in terms of the ones that we're going to use because there are a lot of methods using Facebook groups that no longer work. Which is why we have to make sure that they are qualifying groups. All right, so you'll learn how to do that here. Once you've got a winner, that is a Facebook group that's qualified, then you engage with it. Then you're going to be shown how to create promos that will convert for that group, how to optimize your promo, how to stand out with your promo, offers and lead magnets. I've included some lead magnets for that reason, as I said earlier, and then taking action. And that is pretty much it, folks. Some good training in there, folks. You will very quickly learn how to do this method. And then once you can do it, it will take you about 15 minutes a day. That's a genuinely accurate figure, 15 to 20 minutes a day. All right, let's have a quick look at the upsells, folks. So the front end you've seen is $12.95. The first upsell is the secret Rolodex. Chad and Momen are going to share with you 50 sources and links that they use to engage with a targeted and hungry audience that's looking for your offers and services. These are proven, tested and up-to-date sources that took them the last 6 months to validate. So that is $27. The second upsell is the Pro Edition, which is an advanced training and case study. This is $37, where they will show you how to turn a $27 monthly investment into a source of buyers traffic that has so far generated $30,000 in sales. Everything's explained step by step, including the exact campaigns that Chad created, as well as the results that he got. I think it's Chad doing that one. It might be Momen. Number 3 upsell is the Social Traffic Masterclass for $47. That's Momen, definitely. His social media traffic training covering Facebook, Instagram and YouTube. In this training, he goes into detail how he generates free traffic by leveraging these platforms. And finally, this is what I mentioned earlier, the white label edition, $97. This gives you a chance to acquire the white label license of the front end offer so that you can rebrand it and sell it as your own. All right. So I recommend that's particularly attractive with the white label videos. I recommend that you pick up as many of those as take your fancy when you see the sales pages, because they're all good value. If you want to pick this up with my bonuses, all you need to do is click any of these green buttons before the timer hits 0. That will take you through to the sales page. Click on Add to Cart. Then that will bring you back to your Warrior Plus receipt page. Click on the green button to access your copy of Covert Social Traffic, and then click on the blue button to access my custom bonuses. And that's pretty much it, folks. Like this product, I'm going to give it 4 out of 5 on the Elite Tigers Group rating. I think it's one of the better social media and Facebook products that I've seen this year. So I do recommend that you pick it up. Other than that, all that remains for me as ever to thank you for watching and listening to this review video. If you've enjoyed it, do please click on subscribe underneath and you'll be informed every time I bring a new recording out. Until then, this has been Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers Group with my review of Covert Social Traffic.